What it do, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Ooh. Hey, y'all. Your girl, Sweet Angel, back with ya. Yes, I am, because I was excited to tear into my little mini haul, okay? This is a little bit of stuff from Amazon, like a little bit of stuff like one thing, and some stuff I got from Kiss, and I'm sharing it all over here on Sugar Fingers today. If you're new to the channel, hello, beautiful babe, hello. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap the post notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time I got something for you. And if you're one of my OGs, I say OGs, this channel ain't even been around a year, but if you're one that's been here before, you're already subscribed, welcome back. Let's get right into today's video. Super excited about these little things. This I got from Amazon, and you'll never guess what it is. It's just some nail clippers. But guess what? I needed, most importantly, oh my gosh, I needed some straight edge clippers. And I hope these are good quality, because honey, they were so cheap. They were inexpensive, but I just, you know, I'm gonna spend an arm and a leg for them. But we'll see how they operate. They came with this cute little pouch, which is an awesome little thing. I think that's cute. Look at her. That's so cute. Can you see? Absolutely. So it came with a little file. This is why it was so cheap. It's so little. It came with some little clippers. I mean, they're weighty. They're non-slippery, which is great. Hopefully they can cut pretty well. And this is the straight edge one right here. So hopefully this is gonna work for me. Seems like it would. Let's see. Cut that. I don't want to cut it. Ooh, yeah. It snipped it. I snipped it crooked, but yeah, that's gonna work fine. Girl, what am I doing? Yeah. It's going to work. It's no problem. Of course, that's not like a really hard nail at all, but I needed that because when you're making coffin nails, these come in so handy. And I have a little pouch, which is perfecto. So I'm going to put that back in there in just a moment. Now that's from Amazon. Okay. Now what I got from Kiss in this little box right here, only 3 things. Listen. I love these snowman nails. I do. Y'all see that? Those are cute. Those are cute. But they're about done, because you know why they're about done? Because of the fact that these nails actually, as you wear them, they wear down like really fast. And I do a lot with my hands. But I got some more nails. Yes, I do. And I've forgotten the name of these. Let me see if it's on this little shipping receipt here. These are so pretty. I think those will be great for Valentine, tomorrow, anytime. Oh, it doesn't have the name on them. I think it's something Soul of the City or something like that. But normally the name is not even on the box correctly, so let's see. No, I don't see it. I don't see it anywhere. But they're so pretty. But I will put the name of them down in the description box, okay? And the other thing your girl got was, guess what? Some eyelashes. I know y'all saying like, girl, why you got eyelashes over here on Sugar Fingers? Because it takes these Sugar Fingers to put these on. Now this is the So Wispy Full Bouncy Volume Curl. You get 5 in a pack. I think these are awesome. They're pretty thick, so I'm hoping they'll work for me. And then I have the new, what does that say? New Gen Wispy Blowouts, which is this, which is probably better for like an everyday kind of thing. These are probably more like, girl, to get out and party kind of stuff. These are actually come with some lash applicators in there, which is awesome. Don't know if these do or not. Signature Wispy Effect 5 lashes. No, I don't think these do, but those are those. And that is that. And that is all in my haul. That's all in the haul. So I am going to check out these eyelashes. I really want to try these here. Taking a pair of these out. Cause y'all know if I leave them sitting too long, Miss Maddie gonna be in here and she's gonna be like, oh, those are cute. And I can't resist that girl. She's just my heart. She's my little heart. Listen, I'm gonna put these on. How about that? Let's see if I can put them on while y'all watch. Is that good? Okay, I got my mirror right here. And y'all, I have on no foundation, period. I've been doing just all kind of test experiments with my skin. So I wanted to see if I can just have a natural little glow today. But I have on no foundation. I'm using my favorite lash glue, which is the Lash XO. And every day I go on Amazon and I'm getting more upset because I can't find it nowhere. Oh, y'all see me mess that up like big time. That's so sad. That's why I say I can't do no makeup when I'm on this camera or trying to give y'all a makeup look and it just don't work out to save my soul. It don't. It's just a hot mess every time. And that's not good. See, had to stop running my mouth so I can get to work. There we go. I did that. Now let's see if I can get these lashes on. I should have taken them off first, but I didn't do that because I don't act right. Oh no. Well, I don't have the other box open, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop these on without the other applicator. I have some tweezers over here though. How about that? Magically they appear. And I do not even measure these to see if they fit my eye, but the one thing I know about Kiss lashes is they don't make them extremely lengthwise. You know, they're not too big for my eyelid. So that's cute. You see how I just jushed that look up like instantaneously? Okay, I was looking like a plain Jane trying to be somebody, and now I am super special now. Of course, I got some lashes on. Okay, get on there. And the one thing about these, the lash band on these are super thin, so it blends in pretty well. You don't have to worry about this big band hanging over. So now she looked like she halfway dolled up. Just gonna push them up a little bit. Yeah, and I'm done. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with your girl again. Again, absolutely. I love them. Yes, those you can find them on KISSUSA. I'm sure you can find them at your local drugstore as well. And the clippers, yes, Amazon. That's it. I am finito. Thank you so much for hanging out with me with this little mini haul. I appreciate you. Yes, I do. Love them. Just big enough. Now, if you want them thicker, bigger, bolder, you can always double them up. So occasionally I do that, especially if I'm going hitting the stage or something. But honey, I ain't hitting no stage right now. I ain't hitting no stage right now, but I want to. Listen, I'm out of here, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel right here, Sugar Fingers. And please, you know this, over here, what we say, keep those hands looking gorgeous. See ya. Bye.
Make no mistakes, babe. Once you come back to me.